Okay, quick question lang. Meron ka bang fear na what if mag-invest ako ng time sa affiliate marketing tapos wala namang returns? Alam ko, super normal mag-isip ng ganyan. Lalo na kung may time kang ginugol pero hindi agad makikita yung resulta. Kaya maraming natatakot. Pero ganito yan, affiliate marketing is a long-term game, hindi siya instant. Pero kahit na, the effort you put in now can pay off later. Trust the process. Think of it like planting a tree. Hindi agad magkakaroon ng bunga, but after a while, you'll start to see it grow and then, boom, steady income. Success in affiliate marketing isn't just about instant returns. It's about consistency. The more time and effort you invest, the bigger the rewards down the road. So, kung natatakot kang mag-invest ng time, remember, kung hindi ka magsisimula, wala kang makukuha. Start now, be consistent, and the results will come. Want to see how? Click the link in my bio and start now.